Hi, I'm Larry from Gas Pro Forks, New Brunswick, and today I'm taking a look at the 230-piece Mastercraft drill and driver accessory set. The first thing you're going to notice about the case that it comes in is that there's not the flimsy plastic latches, they're nice strong steel latches, which is a real nice feature. Open it up, and the top half you've got some nut drivers, drills, Robertson bit drivers, Phillips bit drivers, and they're the popular sizes. There's multiples of them, and the smaller drill bits there's multiples because 1/16 and 1/8 drill bits are pretty easy to snap. Now going down to the bottom here, you got a full array of bits, and I'm telling you, if there's a screw head out there that doesn't have a bit to fit it that's in this kit, those screws are never manufactured. This has got everything you're going to need, and it has multiple of some of the more common ones. Again, you got Phillips, you got Robertson, you've got hex head, you got Torx, you even got security bits, and down here, quick change chuck, which is really nice, and a magnetic bit holder. Now, another nice feature, taking the bits in and out of the case, quite easy to do. They stay in there nice and good, but you're not ripping your hands apart by pulling these. I know sometimes the cases hold on to the bits so tight you tear your fingertips up. So this is a real nice set. I've used it a couple times so far. It came in handy. There's not, if you got a job to do, this is the only kit you're going to need in your toolbox, because it's got everything for you. It's a real nice set. I would definitely recommend the Mastercraft 230-piece drill driver bit set to friends and family without hesitation. It's a very good set.